Hello.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
So today we have with us Vanya Arora. And Vanya studied with us for like 2 years. She has joined us in. I request
Shavin.
please keep all yourself to keep yourself on mute so that you enjoy the session and see the presentation.
In progress.
Vanya had a lot of hard work, and I have seen the presentation, and I think it is so in detail and in depth that you will definitely enjoy it. So Vanya has scored rank 11 in NIFT, All India rank 11 in general category, and All India rank 12 in NID in general category. She is still in dilemma to choose between NIFT Delhi and NID Ahmedabad, but I think NIFT Delhi is winning right now. So let's hope she takes a good decision. But definitely, to start with, she's a PCM student, right? Vanya is a PCM student. She has managed her class 12 and her preparation quite well. She never let me uh, feel that she's under any kind of pressure. Of course, she had taken a lot of pressure. She has made a lot of notes for herself. But in the pressure in the sense that she never complained that she's not being able to manage both the things. She has managed both the things quite well. So Vanya, coming to you, that how was your journey from class? Like, when did you start thinking that you want to get into the field of design?
So thank you for the introduction, first of all. For me, it started like when you get into 11th grade, that's really when first you start deciding with which stream you're gonna pick. So for me, I did really well in my 10th boards, and I've always been a studious kid. So I knew, and I was like interested in science too. So I knew I had to take PCM. And jahan tak baat aati ki karna kya hai. So a lot of the times people are unclear with what they need to do. So they go with something like engineering, right? Or like some fields which are more conventional. But for me, I knew this is something I've always been good at. So I knew this is something I could pursue. So I gave it a shot to see if this is something for me. And eventually I found my niche in it. So yeah, it was more of a
Right. So, okay. So tell me one thing, that you started the preparation towards NID or towards NIFT?
Okay, so it's kind of initially the first year, jo 11th grade tha, usme I had like a common preparation for both, which was basically trying to upskill what I already knew in both in terms of the GAT and the CAT portion. But from 12th grade, when it actually gets serious that, this is, you need to get into your college, I started dividing my preparation for both. So that's also why I'm in a dilemma right now, because I always work for the both of them. And NID always knew is थोड़ा सा पता नहीं होता, but thankfully हो गया. So for me, it was, as I said, 11th grade, it was like a common prep, more or less. 12th grade, I more of divided my time to prepare for both differently.
So a lot of students have one doubt whether they have to go for, like, how important is CAT and how important is GAT. So what do you feel? What do you feel that how the student? I mean, I have seen your presentation. You will be covering all of the things. So do you want to share? See, I don't want to waste the time further. I want you to, because it's a huge presentation, and it will take a lot of time to cover up all the topics. So, do you want to share the
I
screen,
can.
or?
I know what you're asking. I covered that in that too. So I think we're
Yes,
good.
I think, and I'll take all the questions from you as soon as she's done with the presentation. So I'll share the. I think you should share your screen.
I will. Just give me a second. Tell me if you can see it visible.
Yes, absolutely. The screen is visible.
So this is basically a presentation I prepared. I kind of broke down everything I did for the past 2 years into something. It's on a very personal level, जो मैंने किया है, and I think that's why this meeting is. So I just thought I'll do that. So I'm just gonna give a brief of मैं क्या क्या बताने वाली, what is all that I have for you. So first I'm gonna give you a brief about myself, a bit of my background. Then I'll give you an overview between NIFT and NID, the differences between the exam preparation. I'm sure आप लोग को differences in the institutes पता है. Then I'm going to cover how to prepare for the GAT portion, all of the different GK, English, math, logical reasoning, sab kuch. And then we finally come to the GAT portion, which is also pretty vast, how I've covered it. And then if you guys have any questions, then you can ask me. So first, something about myself. Hi, I'm Anya Roya. I have PCM and my fifth subject was painting in school. For me, balancing my boards, basically my school with my design was always something I used to be very, very not pressurized, but it was something very difficult in ways, because especially coming from the science stream, science is also a very time consuming stream to have. It also needs a lot of attention, a lot of understanding. And thankfully I got a 93% in my boards, but I don't know kaise. So for me, I've also shared that in my presentation, how did I do the whole time management? How did I make it easier for myself? And I live in Gurgaon currently, and I'm deciding if I need to go to NIFT or NID right now. So yeah, that was pretty much it. Moving on. So this is basically a breakdown of, I think, what Sir was also asking. When I say the difference between NIFT and NID preparation, so पहले तो GAT cover करते हैं. This is somewhat the question what Sir asked कि GAT कितना important and CAT कितना important है. For me, I think it's kind of different for both the exams, or at least how I went with it. For NIFT, you need to understand that usme you have a complete separate examination for GAT. So usme you need to genuinely study, you genuinely need to put in that work, because it is going to make a difference in your rank, in the marks you're going to get. So for someone who might be more inclined towards sketching or drawing than you, but if you've worked for your GAT, you can get an edge over them. So it's really important. Plus for NID, again, GAT is also important for the same reasons, but since it's the same paper, and again, it could depend year to year ki kaise weightage. Like for us, it became 70-30. And so it really depends. But for NIFT, you short know that it is actually really important. And but again, as I suggest, don't cut slack on it. Try. I know a lot of people, they think let me just focus on art, let me just focus on the drawing aspect, GAT thoda jitna hoga dekh lenge, because that doesn't really matter because of the 50-20. But trust me, I did not know this was happening, by the way. I got highest in GAT and DC, and I have no idea like how. But the thing is, it does make a difference when it comes to your rank end of the day, because it can help you reach above a few people. Then Uskad, what are they looking for in terms of ideas and skill? You need to understand that NID में आपकी creativity, आपकी ideation, आपकी on the spot thinking and your problem solving has a huge value. And that is because of the fact that it is an examination which is for a shorter period of time with more questions, ideally. So they know that you might not be able to produce perfectionism in that given limited amount of time, but they do expect you to come up with on the spot amazing ideas. Whereas NIFT, speaking of that, NIFT also values your ideas, your creativity. These are design colleges. Aapke ideas, aapki creativity ka hi sab kuch hai. But at the same time, NIFT also expects you using that time very wisely. आपके काम में दिखना चाहिए कि आपको इतना टाइम मिला था. That is very that's where when you prepare for it, you need to think of it कि आप कहाँ पे क्या ज़्यादा दिखा रहे हो. For me personally, NIFT में I also focused a lot on my neatness, on my aesthetic appeal of it. NID में it was more of ideation for me to do quick work. Materials, again, very personal, but hota hai ek cheez. NIFT has a thing for color pencil work. It has a thing for colors. NID, pen work bhi chal jata hai. I did pen work purely for NID. And so again, this is quite personal, but you can find what your niche is. Aage I'll show you my work, you'll understand where I'm coming from in this. But okay, then dividing your time. Okay, for this, there are two ways of doing this. Coming to this point, एक है, a lot of people say that अगर मैं NIFT के लिए prepare कर रही हूँ, underlying उसमें NID का भी prepare हो ही जाएगा because it's somewhat the same thing. And अगर मैं NIF NID के लिए prepare कर रही हूँ, NIF का भी हो ही जाएगा. So for me, I don't think that's true at all. It is a completely different ball game in terms of what you need to go and do there. A. B, dividing your time. This is where I mean that even when you're giving your mocks, even when you are giving even if you're just doing the art portion of it, remember that wahan pe jaake NIFT mein you have 2 hours, you will have a break, and then you have to give a separate paper for your art. Whereas in NID, it's all going to be thrown at once at you. So you need to understand that dividing your time, even in your preparation, is really important to mentally build you for that. And this next point is somewhat related about, चलो ये तो फिर भी आपको ज़्यादा काम तब आएगा जब एग्जाम देने जाओगे, but might help for your mocks, because if you start giving your mocks like this, what I personally suggest, if at least in DC when you're giving mocks, you get a Google Forms, उसमें आप अपना GAT portion देते हो. This is strictly for NIFT I'm saying. उसके बाद what a lot of people tend to do is they see their score, वहीं पे अपनी गलतियां देखना शुरू and all of that. That's not right. Give your exam, give your GAT portion. Don't look at the score. Just वो tab छोड़ के खुला छोड़ के side हो जाओ. Take a good at least minimum 1 hour of break. Give your CAT exam, sir को mail कर दो, सब हो जाएगा. Then उसके बाद even उसके बाद आधे घंटे का break लो. Then come back to the GAT thing that you did. उसका score check करो. उसमें गलतियां check करो. And see what you did wrong and go read about it if it's like a GK or something. But if it's something like maths, then try solving that question again. Maybe you get it this time. Also, remember when you go back to these questions, don't just see जो आपने गलत किया. Because sometimes what we tend to do is हम कभी-कभी तुक्के भी मारते हैं, right? And कभी-कभी वो तुक्के चल जाते हैं. So when you see later, you'll forget that you did that. And then जब वो exam में आएगा, you might not be able to recall it. So just go through it so that you realize कि मुझे आता नहीं था पर ये ठीक हो गया. But then still go read about it because then it will be fixed in your mind. Going to the next thing. Now we're going to start with the GAT portion, general knowledge, how I approached it. So for me, a lot of it was basically newspaper पढ़ लो, books होती हैं बहुत सारी GK की, all of that. I can't tell you the number of GK books I have. But and also newspaper भी बहुत try किया, didn't work out very much, मुझसे इतना retain नहीं होता था. So I kind of used my brain for this because I was like, how do I really do science? For that, I just see YouTube videos, make notes, questions निकालती हूँ. I kind of took the similar approach for this because उससे retain होता है मुझे. So this is purely what I did, might work for you, so you can also give it a shot. Because I feel GK is something लोग छोड़ देते हैं बोल के कि it's too vast, कितना ही cover कर लोगे. But trust me, if you start from somewhere, you start realizing that you know more. And that helps. It truly helps. Because at least it helps you make logical guesses if nothing. Because then you start connecting things and you try to get what it is. So now coming to this. So what I did was make notes. Write as much as you can, usme kanjoosi mat karo. These are the 4 YouTube channels I refer to most. These are basically GK based YouTube videos. The first one is what I use the most. Isme se I used to do monthly current affair videos, which were every month, the current affairs of the whole month. And then usko 1.5x pe chalao, niche likho. Write everything they're saying, whatever notes. Even if you have to pause it, it's fine, write it down. When I say write it down, I don't mean chalo main aage dikhaungi, I'll talk about that later. But I think it really helps because you're listening and you're writing. And sort of लिख के नहीं होगा. You obviously need to keep coming back to these eventually. If you see, this was my notes ki copy. You have those little tabs of that's every month ka GK for me. So, and I swear to God, for NID, for NIFT, this book was the only thing I read for the last 3 days. No notes, no videos, like absolutely nothing, just this book. And it was enough. It was more than enough. Also, not just the monthly current affairs, also topic wise. If I've like ancient history, बहुत सारे videos में मिल जाएंगे. I also used to watch a lot of MCQ based videos. उसमें आपको एक question देते हैं. They give you options. Try to guess it in your head. You will not know it, obviously. Then they tell you the right answer. It stores and write that down as a point. I also did a lot of those. So monthly current affairs and topic wise about ancient history, environment, universe, satellites, kuch bhi, absolutely anything and everything, and they have it all. And trust me, you'll start finding it interesting at one point. Then uske baad there were certain things I needed on my tips because you have to keep going back to them, and they were very visual to me. So what I did was I took matter in my own hands and I made these PPTs for myself. It was basically just these things which I keep going through again and again, just PPT pick hole ke tuck tuck tuck. So there it registers in my head and very visually. If I'll just show you one of this, and also I truly don't mind, I can send it to Sumit sir and they can forward you these PPTs. It might come to use to all of you. I'll just share the, एक second. Yeah. So this is one of it. This was about the folk arts. So for me, it was kind of difficult to differentiate between the elements, a lot of these artworks. So I created keys for myself, like tiny little things which gave me hints about what it was. So all these things, they kind of helped me figure out my way through them. And then eventually I knew what I was doing. Similarly, there's also this one I had. Wait, hold on. This was kind of, again, for visual aspects. Visually, I feel I retain much better. So for the same reasons, this thing. Wait, hold on. So can you see my screen? Okay. This is about everything according to areas, the crafts of that place. So I made this whole PPT and it was all visual so that it retains कि अगर मुझे नाम नहीं आ रहा, at least मुझे याद आ जाए कि शायद इस कोने में थी या कहीं. So I can at least make a valid guess if nothing. So yeah, just things like these. I made these PPTs for myself to keep it on my tip. And then उसके बाद coming back to my presentation. Yeah. Yeah, so this was probably it for GK. And then obviously just Sumit's or notes page, then that also, this GK book also had those. Like I'll just show you in the next slide. Hold on. Yes. So these are all my notes. This is how I do it. This is how I'm the most productive. So for me, जैसे this first one, actually, I actually remember, this was circa GK miscellaneous notes का एक copy जिसके अंदर ये paintings हैं. So I took a printout, I pasted it. It's the same content in those, just written in my words and shorter points. So that my brain knows how I process it well. So this is basically that. These are similarly basic civics type points. This is my monthly GK. Again, you can see very short points. मैं आपको proper sentences लिखने को बोली, just the keywords, so that if something clicks when you're sitting at the exam, because you're not going to remember anything. आपको कुछ precisely याद नहीं होगा. It's all about what hits at the moment. You feel like सुना लग रहा है. So yeah, just same thing. This was like how I was saying topic wise ancient history का. So this is just an idea to ki aap log, you can try if this might work out. Because I say don't quit on GK. Because this is something, if you do it right, it can give you an edge over others, because most people are not able to get a hang of it. English. देखो, I'm going to be very honest. English is something आप ऐसे 2 साल में build नहीं कर सकते. It is something which is inherently in you. All you can do is you can strategically approach it. So for me, again, comprehensions करो, online comprehensions करो, time it please. बहुत लोग बस करके बैठ जाते देखते हैं. I used to be one of those, but then start with giving one comprehension 10 minutes, then giving 7, then 5, so that when you're sitting in the exam, you're also giving it those 5 minutes and nothing less or more. Uske baad, when you say searching for comprehensions, don't cheat yourself. If you're seeing a comprehension, you feel it's too easy for you, don't like tick it off, सारे ठीक हो गए, आप खुद में खुश हो रहे हो. Find a comprehension that you feel is hard. आपको उसे पढ़ के लगना चाहिए मैं क्या पढ़ रही हूँ, then you are doing a good comprehension, because easy तो आप वहाँ पे कर ही आओ, okay, that's not a doubt. उतनी English we all know. Then idioms and phrases online. Similarly, GK ka, I used to watch videos, I used to write them down. That book also has a lot of idioms and phrases. And trust me, kid you not, I had at least 20 pages of idioms and phrases. Obviously, with different time gaps, I like to mix up things. But usme se at least 5 aaye the is baar mere exam mein, and I was very thrilled. And uske baad antonyms and synonyms, a lot of people wonder ki kaise kare, because obviously yaad karna mushkil hai. For me, videos and notes, again, same procedure. I used to see MCQ way mein ki ask a meaning, 4 options, choose the right one. उससे actually in a way, coming to my last point, elimination and logic भी बहुत strong होता है. You start understanding कि on what basis do you start eliminating your options and start logically choosing them. अगर आपको दिख रहा है कि 4 options हैं जिसमें से 3 negative और 1 positive है, there is a very strong chance that that positive one is the right answer. Or if you feel there are 2 words which have somewhat the very similar meaning, then वो दोनों potentially नहीं होंगे, because that will be very close for the examiner to have. और उसके बाद another way to deal with antonyms and synonyms is curiosity. You should try to find meanings of words you come across, because you never know. For me, very, very weirdly, around 2 days from the NIFT exam, I was trying to order like a colossal mascara and I didn't know what colossal meant. So I just Googled it, and surprisingly, it came in the exam 2 days later. So it's totally about just being on your feet all the time, because that's what designers do, right? You need to learn from your surroundings. You need to be inquisitive about what's going on. This is just part of it. So yeah, that is also one way you can deal with it. Coming to maths and logical reasoning. Now, maths ka scene is, very personally speaking, I'm good at math. मेरे पास science है, और physics की math in itself is a whole another disaster. So there are some people who are just good at math. There are some people who can manage math, and there are some people who are just, no, it's not their thing. अगर आपसे अच्छी हो रही, then I think you don't need this. For people who are in the other 2 categories, try at least becoming average to good, because I promise you, this is gonna help you in your exam. Like GK, this is also a lot of people are not good at, so it is going to give you an advantage over them, and you're gonna उस वक्त इतना लगेगा, but eventually you might feel it helped you. So I wouldn't personally suggest कि बिल्कुल ही shove it down. Bring it to a level where you're at least average at it, and you can do it very easily. So first of all, easy to say, practice as much as you can. When I say this, I mean approach it in the right way. I'm actually going to start with my 4th point. सबसे पहले formula list बनाओ. Very PCM way of dealing with things. But सबसे पहले, every math topic, make a formula list out of it. I wish I could show you my own. I have no idea where it is. But make a formula list of all the topics and keep revising it. मैं जब GAT का DC का mock देती थी, उससे पहले आधा घंटा बैठ के I used to revise my formula list every time. And it worked for me. So please, please, please. Also, these tips are also for logical reasoning, because उसमें कुछ ऐसे इतना अलग है नहीं. You have to deal it within the same way. So revise your formulas. Keep your shortcuts on your tips. I swear to God, उससे बहुत कुछ simplify हो जाता है, बहुत कुछ less intimidating हो जाता है. So keep your shortcuts and do your formula list very, very religiously, and make it in your own words how you like to deal with it. Uske baad, another tip is, this is for those people who are good at math and want to make it faster. This I actually asked from my own math teacher, my school, I mean my tuition math teacher, that even if you're bad at mental math, try doing it in your head. Even आपको 1 घंटा लगे, आपको आधा घंटा लगे, आपको 15 minutes लगे, try doing it in your head. Eventually, you're going to get good at it. You are going to reach a point where you're able to do things in your head after you, even to start with it, you need to exert your brain a little bit. Tabhi it's going to get used to it. So start doing things in your head, and it's going to do a favor to you. सब कुछ हाथ से निकाल के नहीं होगा. Sorry, my light kind of just went. Just give me a second.
Okay, keep your questions ready. Yeah.
Yeah. Hi. So uske baad, coming back to practice as much as you can. Another way of this, a very good way which I used to do, is deal with it topic wise, because I feel that's going to be a more systematic approach if you are not too avid with math. जो आपको टॉपिक्स आपको पता फिर भी मैनेज कर लेते हो, उनको स्ट्रॉन्ग कर लो, because even if it is उसमें से 2 क्वेश्चन भी आ गए in the paper, you will do a favor to yourself. So strengthen what you're good at, make something you're average at it a little better. If you're very, very bad at something, एक बार को उसको छोड़ सकते हो. जैसे compound interest was always a thing which bothered me so much. So I just brought it to an average level where I'm not too bad at it. So yeah, that is one thing. Then mocks. Mocks may please, please, please do it religiously. Do it honestly. You're not doing anyone a favor but yourself by being honest. because it's going to break your heart even more जब आपका यहाँ marks आ जाएंगे but जब हम exam में जाके perform करोगे और नहीं आएंगे. So be honest with yourself to begin with. And even when you're doing your math or for that thing, anything, please time everything. Because you need to understand wahan pe you run out of time and you do not realize it. And then, okay, this last point is basically some sources. India Bix, Gaurav sir ne bataya hoga for those of you who attend his classes. Usme, what I personally suggest is what I used to do at least towards the end month. एक 20 क्वेश्चंस का मिक्स टेस्ट आता है और आई थिंक 20 मिनट्स का मिक्स टेस्ट आता है, वन ऑफ देम प्लीज सी इट. उसमें सारे टॉपिक्स मिक्स्ड होते हैं. डू दैट विद इन द गिवन टाइम फ्रेम. दैट्स गोना कीप यू अपडेटेड विद ऑल द टॉपिक्स दैट यू हैव कवर्ड. एंड देयर आर अदर, बहुत सारी वेबसाइट्स हैं, कोई भी खोल लो. All these aptitude websites are there. Go to any, it's about you doing it. End of the day, and please हाथ से निकालो. Please हाथ से निकालो. Don't be like देख लिया ये तो हो जाएगा and then just move on. It doesn't work like that. फिर exam में भी आई होगा, देख लिया और move on करना पड़ेगा. So please हाथ से निकालो. Now I think that was it for the GAT. I think उससे ज़्यादा मेरे पास कुछ है नहीं बोलने को इतना. End में I'll come back to it a bit, but
One
indirectly.
has a lot of thing to tell about GAT. मैं भी बताता हूँ कि first of all, it's not only Vanya. Her mother has also worked a lot. बहुत ज़्यादा काम करी है, तो you have to give credit to her. For
Yeah.
last 2 years, she has been looking things for you. जो आप बताए हो कि ये YouTube channel से आप देखे हो, उन्होंने भी बहुत figure out किया है, तो hats off to her also. It's her effort also along with you. But yes, GAT is something. See, you were good in everything, but the most important thing, Vanya, I find in her is the time management. I have never seen her saying that I didn't manage to do one of the questions. उसको जो आता था वो करती थी, उसको जो नहीं आता था वो छोड़ती थी. तो वान्या न्यू कि ये आता है तो मैं करूंगी, ये नहीं आता तो नहीं करूंगी. आई डोंट थिंक कि आपका नेगेटिव हुआ था ज्यादा शायद निफ्ट एग्जाम में, वेरी फ्यू नेगेटिव्स. So NIFT has negative marking, but because Vanya knew her strength, Vanya knew her what is not her strength. Uske accordingly, she has managed well in the examination. The rank says everything. But yes, now coming to the creative section, Vanya, I really want in creative section, you tell the complete journey. If you just show the final things, people will get confused. उनको आपका जर्नी नहीं पता चलेगा तो उनको लगेगा कि आप शुरू से इतने परफेक्ट थे, बट आपने 2 साल में वो परफेक्शन गेन किया. तो आई थिंक यू शुड स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द बिगनिंग. यस, यू कैन कैरी ऑन. मुझसे भी ज्यादा देर बैठा नहीं जाता, इसलिए मैंने बोल दिया बीच में.
हाँ जी. So for the CAT portion, first I'm going to talk about the NIFT aspect alag se, then I'm going to talk about the NID aspect alag se, because again I prepared very differently for it and my work's going to show when you see it. So pehle NIFT ka, this is very initial work, probably the first month I joined DC, when I was getting an idea how to go about these questions, how to do these things. So this was very pure coming from nowhere wala jitna mujhe aata tha wala work. So again, I wouldn't say this is bad, but it was ठीक है, average work था ये. So back then I focused more on just my skill, because you can see it took time, by the way, because maybe I was very slow back then because I was building skill back then. So again, very simple work, very to the point, not a lot of depth. But yeah, so again, very simple work. Uske baad again basic line drawing, but one thing I always try to make sure it's neat, because neatness I feel is very important in artwork to a degree, at least for NIFT I feel. And yeah, so it just looks a little more presentable because it's neat. उसके बाद थोड़ा सा वहां से उठना शुरू हुआ. When I got a hang of it, when I saw the work of a lot of people, then I got to know कि what is it that I really need to do. Then I started, how to explain, it's like पहले आप डरते हो, आप चलाते हुए अपना पेन चलाते हुए डरते हो कि I don't want to mess this up, चाहे मैं कमी करूं बट वो अच्छा होना चाहिए. Then slowly it happened that you stop being afraid and you start being like चलो चला के देखते क्या ही जाएगा. And then after that it grows from there because you start trusting yourself with the pen. So for me, here I started trusting myself a little more. I started, आप देख भी सकते हैं मेरी coloring भी थोड़ी darker हो गई है पहले से. I started giving myself that creative freedom. पहले it was very to the point, according to the layout जो शिवम सर ने, जो दुर्गेश सर ने सिखाया हुआ है, बिल्कुल ऐसे टू द पॉइंट वाला लेआउट. बट दिस इज मोर ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग बट विद द लेआउट इन माइंड. उसके बाद कमिंग टू दिस अगेन सिमिलर जोन में है थोड़ा सा. तो अगेन थोड़ा सा एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन हल्का फुल्का in terms of presentation but very simple work. But one thing, as you can see, this is work with pencil and color pencil majorly. Because NIFT me, that's what I did most of the time. So do you want me to explain these questions or just like overall?
So I think overall it's fine. मतलब मैं भी आपका काम कभी अलग से सेशन करके एक्सप्लेन नहीं करूंगा सारा काम. But I think it's going in the correct way. But
Okay.
yes, आपको ये जरूर बताना है कि earlier you used to do things with pencil. Gradually you picked up doing things with pen. और वो
Yeah.
transition कब आया और कब आपको लगा कि now you can take a gear forward and completely shift to pen?
I will actually mention that pen thing for NID because end of the day I didn't end up doing pen enough for the whole pen wala issue. But so I'm going to bring that up in NID क्योंकि उसमें मैं pen ही करके आई थी. So yeah, so again a lot of pencil shading. I was good at pencil shading to start with. I just built up my skill a little bit from there. Again, simple work, इतना कोई ज़्यादा experimentation नहीं, just a lot of elements.
मान्या, जब आप कोई ड्राइंग बनाना शुरू करते थे तो व्हाट वाज द फर्स्ट थिंग व्हिच यू, जैसे मैंने आपको एक थीम दे दिया दैट सपोज मेक अ इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल पोस्टर ऑन अ ब्रांड हु इज लॉन्चिंग अ इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल, तो सबसे पहला पॉइंट आप क्या सोच के शुरू कैसे करते थे? थॉट प्रोसेस क्या होता था सोचने का? क्योंकि सबसे ज्यादा स्टूडेंट यहीं पे प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करते हैं अपने लिए कि मेरे को आइडियाज नहीं आ रहे हैं, तो आप सोचना कहाँ से शुरू करते थे?
देखो, एक तो देयर आर टू अप्रोचेस टू इट. एक तो आप 5 मिनट निकाल के साइड में बैठ के आइडिएट करो, फिर बनाना शुरू करो, राइट? दैट इज आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल डू दैट एंड इट वर्क्स फॉर देम. फॉर मी इट्स मोर लाइक मैं बस करना शुरू कर देती हूँ एंड आई बिल्ड एज आई गो एंड दैट वर्क्स फॉर मी बिकॉज आई फील अ लॉट ऑफ आइडियाज जो मेरे पास हैं वो मुझे पता है मुझे बाद में आएंगे जब मैं एक चीज ऑलरेडी बना दूंगी. उसे देख के मुझे लगेगा अच्छा इसमें ये भी डाल देते बेटर हो जाएगा. So my process more of a building process on as it goes. So especially for NIFT, it was also more convenient because pencil work hota tha. I can obviously build over pencil more easily. NID का जब आप काम देखोगे, same process, but I used to cover up with my hatching. In a lot of these drawings, I messed. My idea used to be completely different, and it becomes something completely different. But वो दिखता नहीं है क्योंकि मैं hatching से cover up कर देती हूँ. So you wouldn't see what it was before, but it turns out to be something else. So I've never really sat down and thought about it. I just do it as it goes. आपने अभी ये इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल का बोला, so if I was in this position right now and if I was to make it, I'd probably just basic सबको करना होता है. I'd probably make a small square side में just be like title यहाँ पे जाएगा. अभी मैंने ये नहीं सोचा टाइटल क्या है, just title यहाँ जाएगा, यहाँ मैं प्रोडक्ट टाइप बना दूंगी, थोड़ा उसके बारे में यहाँ लिख दूंगी. Just the basic layouting of it to start with. Because my first criteria is it should look nice. The presentation should be nice. Then coming to the creative aspect of it, कि उसमें दिखाना क्या है. Then you think of the names, क्या है, you think of the keywords here, mix it up a little bit. You know what, honestly, if you're doing a product, even if you're doing a scene, अगर एक park बनाना है, मुझे NIFT में we had to make a park out of numbers. At least that's what the question I did. So I gave a name to the park also. Give name to your things, you'll have a better idea of what you're doing. And make it a creative. In NID, we had to make a water container to travel into the mountains or something like that. So I named it Himachal. So like Himachal, but pani hai to jal. So if you give name to things, you can easily think where you want to take it also. So I personally suggest pehle give it a name, think about it, pick the best one. Uske baad play with fonts. Please play with fonts. I'll bring it up later also, but it's gonna help elevate your work. It's like playing with fonts is like drawing. Don't take it as a task कि मेरी handwriting अच्छी होनी चाहिए. Draw कर दो. इसमें मैंने Electra लिखा हुआ है. It is basically drawing. मैंने wire से बस थोड़ा घुमा के उसको C बना दिया. So it is nothing really इतना major. And यहाँ पे honestly बहुत shitty handwriting है बाकी. But ठीक है. Anyways, so and then उसके बाद pick your main product. Obviously यहाँ पे तो गाड़ी बनानी पड़ेगी. Pick the car and now modify it. What all can you add? If it was you as a consumer, what would you want? And it could be anything and उसी बात के पैसे हैं. Because they want to know how much you know about your surroundings. जो आपको चाहिए, it could be the choti se choti cheese, weirdest of things, but add it. That is it. That's what's going to show that you added a personal touch to your work. And that's what matters. If I was to make a car and if it's an electric car, what would I want in it? I might just want like मेरा जो अगर मैं पीछे बैठी हुई हूँ जो आगे the seat है उसके पीछे एक screen हो and मेरा and since I have like a cervical issue तो मैं गाड़ी में अपना phone नहीं देख पाती I start getting dizzy. So I just want कि जो मेरा phone है that transfers into in front of my seat and I can see it right ahead of me like an iPad almost and my phone gets airdropped into that. Something कुछ भी, it could be anything but it's up to you how you show it. So you might just be solving your own problems. That's completely okay. But you need to solve a problem, at least for the product aspect of it. Even for the not product aspect of it, even if it's a scene, solve a problem. It is very important to show that you're willing to do things for people. So, uske baad, coming back to this, again, a lot of improvement in color pencil work. Thoda more experimentation with presentation. Neatness is still there, I feel. Just as you can see, I play a lot with fonts also. Like 38 years, I think this was NIFT ka, yeah. So I made it out of the cloth actually, like the 38. So and even the Rajasthan. So playing with fonts, it actually brings a lot into the drawing more than you realize. Agar मैं 38 हटा देती middle वाली drawing से, it is a very plain drawing. Like ये कोई भी कर सकता है, एक 5th grade का बच्चा कर सकता है. It's very, very, very simple. So yeah, it's more about that. This was my pen era. This was when I got introduced to Micron world, thoda sa. So I kind of brought it into NIFT bhi halke halke se. So yeah, this is pen work with color pencil. Again, creativity. If you can see, it's about flood relief, right? So maybe I'm trying to show the positive side, ki, with the boat, with the paper boat, so that it also speaks to like common people. And उसके पीछे I showed like a newspaper to show कि actual news भी है और ये news के अंदर से ये pamphlet निकल के आया है. In the left one, this was I think about wildlife saving कोई Corbett का postcard. So पीछे I've showed a phone which has a GPS route to Corbett कि मतलब वो वहाँ जा रहे हैं and they're just seeing the route and they have postcards for it. This was G20 के लिए and एक pizza company का वो बनाना है box type. So I took that. I took the G20 ka logo and modified it using pizza key toppings and just the pizza itself. So it's about how you play with it really, and that's what matters end of the day, to be honest. And yeah, and there's also like a QR code. QR code is like my favorite thing ever. मैं कहीं भी डाल देती हूँ. So yeah, a QR code for your Paytm and all of that. So again, basic things. Similar work, pen, color pencil. Right wala is थोड़ा सा inclining towards NID work मेरा, but ये NIFT का question था तो मैंने डाल दिया. This also works. Color pencil ticks off in this. This counts as color pencil. उसके बाद this is pencil shading also. So yeah, it's a mix of all. Again, the presentation varies in all these things. It's like new presentation all the time. Then for this question, this was something about book. एक book का cover design करना था. So I made a chemistry class 12 की book and पीछे that's just like a परेशान सी लड़की जिससे कुछ हो नहीं रहा and just crushed paper and just like a lot of trauma for the child just studying chemistry. So it adds story. Please add story.
All of you can see the background. Every time there is no plain and flat background. I always say that add background, no matter it is looking very good or not, but background adds the story. And you can see story in all her works. Yes, Vanya, I'm sorry to interrupt you. Please continue.
So yeah, as I said, story बहुत important है. I also did this in my NIFT का exam. हमें question था कि कोई 4 चीजों को use करके you have to use it in a different way. I used 4 CDs, I think. तो उसमें I showed normal products जो बहुत लोगों ने बनाए होंगे. एक I showed like a car type बना दी उससे एक lamp बना दिया. But the only thing I did different was so maybe my sketching helped. And another thing was I showed a lot of story. When I showed that car moving, I showed there was a child cheering for it and a dad piche who was just like saying go child or something like that, and the kid was waiting for the car to come and he wins the race. And then they had a toilet paper which was their finishing line, so it just showed like a casual Sunday where the dad and the kid is having a good time with just homely things. Then second May I showed like a CD, say like a pencil hold, like a brush holder, I think. And piche I showed a painting and I could have stopped at that, but end moment pe, like within the last 10 minutes I just do Warli art on it. तो just to add story thoda sa. And then uske baad there was this another thing. Yes, there was I used CDs to show like Mickey caps of these two children, and piche I showed like a kitchen counter with like baking supplies har jagah phaile hue to just show that you were baking and stuff, and they just suddenly started having fun. And another was also something like this जिसमें मैंने एक broken bulb दिखाया था और एक repair man उसे ठीक करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, CD से वो lamp बना हुआ है. So it's very important to show story. That's what's going to differentiate you. Book covers सब बनाएंगे, and I'm pretty sure there will be book covers that will look better than yours and be more creative. It's about how you present it. End of the day. Then this was a G20 ka invitation. I again wanted to do something different, so I made it into a matka. ये Joe Biden को I think ये president को जाना था ये G20 का invite. So I made it into a matka with like a little plant to show कि Indian farmers ने grow किया है, and this is like an invite. So again a little different. Then जो Kashmir wala, this was just a question to find a to make a postcard on Kashmir tourism. पीछे वाला all I added एक तो that they're looking up Google पे Jammu Kashmir to see about the place and everything, just to add character to the drawing in itself. Again just a little more advanced work. You can see how it grew. I was never as good, but as you do more work, you eventually start realizing what your niche is. I realized that I do better when I mix pencil shading and color pencil. That's what I started doing eventually because it started adding more dimension to my work. Because मैं जब सिर्फ कलर पेंसिल करती थी तो बहुत फ्लैट और बेसिक लगता था, मैं सिर्फ पेंसिल करती थी बहुत डल लगता था. तो this helped me choose what I want to highlight. So left में it was just a श्रीनगर का fridge magnet. बाकी सब background है आपका the little things you observe. बीच में we had to make a lamp for a lazy person. The lamp in itself, अगर मैं पीछे का सब हटा लूँ मैं सिर्फ lamp बनाती हूँ, अब कहते क्या है? Because the lamp in itself is actually very bad. Just because there's a lot of background, I showed a lazy person who's just like an Alexa trying to tell the lamp to keep quiet. It adds character to the drawing. Similarly, this was we had to make a cigarette packet ka cover. The spelling of cigarettes is wrong. My mom reminded me pehle bhi when I made this, but if you ignore that. So again, this is showing like that pan wala shop jahan pe wo banda aapko cigarette ka packet de raha hai. So again, it's about the little things. It's about the background you put. Similarly, ये सब भी I think this was a bag for a female taxi driver जो बनाना था. Background पूरा she's driving. Side में मैंने again QR code लगवाया to scan for money and all of the other little things. And then सामने I think this is like वो जो perfume वाला होता है dashboard पे. And just all of that. Then this was for a retirement card for a school teacher. इसमें भी मैंने QR code डाला हुआ है. And then you just pull it out and it's a whole invitation. And uske baad, if you see the background in this, I didn't leave anything that I saw with my own teachers. Basically, these are like they're checking the answer scripts. Usme bhi unhone star mara hua hai with those little knot tie things we do answer sheets pe, and just her coffee. Basically, just a casual day in the staff room, and then she gets this invite. This was, I think, some poster. I say, yeah, I don't think इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ explain करने को. Again, a lot of pencil work. This was pure pencil work, but I used to cover up with my pencil work by using a lot of elements. Isme there are just a lot of elements, especially in the left ke do. That was kind of my thing. मुझे चीजें भरना बहुत पसंद है. So yeah, if you think you are not so skilled with your artwork, try adding as many things as you can, because that really helps. And it could be the littlest of the things possible. Isme beach wale mein, it was a question that we had to show, I think, a man, a cat, एक आध और कोई चीज, and then हाँ, I think a QR code. तो वो सब तो हो गया. Then what I showed was that there's a cat पीछे जो एक पैकेट देख रही है जिसके ऊपर crayons का है वो, और उसके ऊपर भी cat बनी हुई है. तो she's just looking at it and being like ये तो मैं हूँ. So it's like the littlest of details. And पीछे just shows Muradabad station. That's my dad's hometown. So I wanted to show like a small, you know, like a small city stationery shop. And this is about like printing भी हो रही है वहाँ पे, printing available at ₹5. Then January का calendar खुला हुआ है. Just fan भी है ऊपर. Just the littlest of things possible. यहाँ pens ₹5 के बिक रहे हैं. The screw of the table is there. There's a tiny little sharpener falling off. It is what end of the day adds character to your drawing. It is the littlest of things possible. Now यहाँ पे जो left में है, this was about some Jaipur का tourism or कुछ तो था, I clearly don't remember. But if I count the elements, it's basically the person taking a selfie with the camel piche. And we had to show a tourist spot in Rajasthan. So I showed Chowki Dhani. So I was very conflicted how to show this is Chowki Dhani. So I just made the girl wear a t-shirt, I love Chowki Dhani, just to dikh jaye ki ye kahan pe hai. And then piche there's just different things happening, a lot of puppets. So it's just ab jitna bhar doge, I'll tell you it'll start looking good. Because when it's filled, it starts looking good. This is color pencil work mixed with pencil and mixed with pen. Again, yeah, ज़्यादा इसमें कुछ explain करने को नहीं. This was kind of it. Then yeah, so if you can see beach wale maybe there is a background. This was like a pamphlet with peach. I showed a newspaper. With my pamphlets, it was kind of my thing to show a newspaper because how I knew कि मुझे बस पता था pamphlet newspaper में आते. This was my exposure to pamphlets, so I used that. So peach I showed like different things going on. Another tip is आप current news भी डाल सकते हो पीछे, something that you know you got recently aware of, you can put it on the side. I did that a few times. Moving on, again, this is all just work, normal work. Iske baad, this was more of like an ABCD Lekho game type thing. So this was a child trying to learn it. So Piche, I just made a tiny little box to show that he assembled it on its own from Fun School and build your own A to Z kind of thing. This was, we had to redesign prospectus. Again, I played with fonts here. मैंने उसका 2025 को motif में बना दिया, उसके scissors बना दी. Again, a lot of fonts से. And then there's a background, obviously, like sticky notes and everything. This right thing I put here to show you. This is what I did. मैंने NIFT के एग्जाम से पहले I did not draw the last day. मैंने कुछ practice नहीं किया. This was all I did. I did a lot of brainstorming. I revised the good ideas I had. I thought I should work on my art current affairs कि कोई monument बनाना आ जाए so I can actually use it. So जो उस वक्त नया नया बना तो मैंने सब बना के देख लिया ताकि मैं वहाँ बनाया आऊंगी. All the Bharat Mandapam, the new parliament, सब कुछ I just did it in case I need to make it and I don't know how to. So I learned all of that. Uske baad I thought of basic ideas for different thing. I learned 5 flags. I remember like 5 flags which are not obviously India and the basic ones we know because उस वक्त G20 बहुत hype पे था तो कुछ उससे related आ गया. I knew I could make at least 5 flags there. तो मैं flags रट के गई थी ये वाले. This is to give you an idea. Build yourself. Build your thoughts of what you can do with what you already have. It's about these things. This end wala thing I'm showing you because end of the day it's going to matter what you're going to produce in those 3 hours. There might be people who might be more talented than I am, but it's also more about आप उन 3 घंटों में कैसे करते हो, what strikes you, what comes back to you, and what you're able to actually put on paper. So it's very important, as I started with, keep your brain on its feet. Keep up with everything. Keep up with what you need to know. At least अपने basics बहुत strong कर लो. This is me strengthening my basics before going into the exam.
You need to create your own directory in your mind so that you can take out the things from that directory.
Yeah.
So she has a lot of directory. मतलब इनके पास इतना directory था वान्या के पास कि वो चीजों को अपने पुराने किए हुए चीजों से भी निकालती थी जो की हुई है और जो बाकी का ऑब्जर्वेशन था उसको आप जॉट डाउन करते थे ताकि अगर एग्जाम में आ जाए तो आप उससे एलिमेंट्स को निकाल पाओ. तो इट्स नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट एवरी टाइम दैट यू मेक ब्यूटीफुल ड्राइंग बट इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू make a directory of small elements so that when time comes you can take the things out of that. Yes, Vanya, you can continue.
This was it for my NIFT. अब हमारे NID पे. NID, as I said, it was okay. Sir asked me to tell you how did I transition into pen work. Very, very actually, ironically, I'd have no idea how to do pen work until last year, same time. I was watching Suyashka Toppers talk with the Toppers wala video.
Last year we did it with our last year toppers. So is Suyash. So
Yeah.
now doing our first session with Vanya. So it's a transition there also. But yes, Vanya, before starting your NID journey, how much time you actually kept for NIFT one drawing? So for one drawing, what was the time limit you used to give for one drawing for NIFT?
Dekho, the thing is, there was a point, you know it, where my drawing got very, very fast. मैं बहुत जल्दी बना लेती थी. So, मेरा NIFT का काम, it used to be done in 45 minutes at least. Like जो ये बाकी ऊपर है 45 minutes में achievable था मेरे लिए, but you need to work to it. You cannot start with 45. Start with an hour. Get it to a 45 क्योंकि अब यहाँ पे आप 45 करोगे, आप एग्जाम में जाके 55 में करोगे. Because that's what happened with me. मेरा एग्जाम बिल्कुल ऐसे एंड मोमेंट पे खत्म हुआ था, तभी मुझे लगा था मैं बना के क्या आई हुई है. I was very sure मैं ऐसे genuinely करके क्या आई थी, but thankfully it worked out. But
For
yeah,
NID, how much time you used to take for one drawing? Because in this time NID, I think you had to attempt 10 questions, right?
yeah.
This time NID has given a lot of questions to be
My
done.
my pen sketching is very fast. So I used to do it in 20 minutes, on an average 20 minutes.
So basically 20 minutes and 45 minutes, this is what you should be
Yeah.
planning now onwards. क्योंकि अगर अभी आप NID के लिए अगर आप कोई भी चीज करते हो तो आप टाइम को कम करो. When I
Hmm.
give you daily questions and when I write that 45 minutes for NIFT pattern and 25 minutes for an ID pattern, then take it seriously.
Yeah, you have to.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, I was telling how I came to Penwork. So I saw Suyash's work last year, same time. And that's where I was like, ये तो सही लग रहा, थोड़ा microns try करते हैं. You know, this seems pretty cool. And then I remember getting microns the next day and I started experimenting with it. And eventually it worked in my favor. Although the final work I do right now, and I did in my exam, was ballpoint work, ball pen work, because that is my thing now. But at least the pen part of it started from there. So it's kind of also surreal कि अब मैं बोल रही हूँ यहाँ पे, but yeah. Anyways, so this is where I started microns. Again, one thing common between the two, lot of background, lot of detailing, lot of elements. ये दोनों जगह चाहिए होंगे and you cannot compromise on that anyway. So yeah, it's me. You can see this was basically आपका how to tie a shoe in 4 steps. It started with wearing it, do the branding, show the minimalistic of things. I could have made a very simple shoe and moved on and stuck to its part. But it's very important to actually show how it's done properly with everything behind it, in front of it. Why is it being done? So I showed कि वो बंदा football खेलने जा रहा था, इसलिए all this happened. Also, remember, a lot of people ask me कि how do I know what to draw, or like how am I drawing that? Like एक skill होता है, but for me, just a tip, because I saw it here, so I thought bata do. When you're doing hands ki a lot of cheezein, people are scared of including humans in a lot of things. If you see, these are very simple things. But at least for the hands aspect of it, आपको नहीं आ रहा लेस कैसे पकड़ना है. I remember for this drawing very clearly, मैंने ये बनाया था arrows के साथ पहले, and sir told me इसको फिर से बना के लाओ, पर इस बार hands दिखाना laces के साथ, and I did that. And this is when I figured out कि मैं अपने खुद के हाथों से जो gestures बनाती हूँ, I can just see it side by side and copy it, and that works very easily, trust me. Then उसके बाद this was generally don't remember क्या, I just remember ये कोई पुराने time का था, so I needed to show that timeline specifically without being explicit about it. So I showed the newspaper कि ये war के time का है, to just know कि which timeline are we in, and I tried to make the paintings and stuff accordingly too. This was about a picnic bag. Again, solving problems, things you want to solve, things you would want in things. Now you will ask me, मैंने एक ऐसे सोचा कि यहाँ से खुलेगा ये आएगा ये, उसमें एक पोर्टेबल चार्जर है. आजकल के टाइम में आप बाहर जा रहे हो, इतनी देर के लिए आप पिकनिक बैठे, you're gonna run out of battery of things and you need something like that. So solve your own problems if not anyone else's, and that is also gonna help you. Yeah, so this is again very simple line drawing, pen work, micron work. Sorry. This is when I got a little more comfortable with it. As I said, you eventually start gaining confidence in your hand. You start trusting your hand a little bit more to go freely. This is again left wala, no idea kya tha, so I'm just gonna skip on that. Beach wala, this was about making a paperweight. Now using a animal, I think. Now the thing is, I could have easily made a very pretty paperweight and kept it as a center of attention with the paper. But what makes this different than anything else you will see is the background. We can see कि paperweight अपना purpose solve कर रहा है. Paper अगर मैं सामने बैठी उसके ऊपर बैठी हुई, does not solve any purpose. You see the guy is sleeping. He does not know what's happening around him. There is a fan which is going and everything is flying except the paper जिस पे आपका paper weight पड़ा है. So it shows that you solved a problem. A. B. Uske baad, you see how you solved it. So the paperweight in itself is made out of Legos. It is not just a paperweight. So it shows that you actually put that thought ki isko thoda alag banate hain. So it's made out of Legos. And uske baad bhi, if it wasn't clear from the drawing, I showed a Legos ka box side mein. कि it's a paperweight Lego box with 3+ years, blah blah blah, everything, and there's a manual जिसको आप scan कर सकते हो, everything. And even on the paper जिसके ऊपर paperweight है, I showed like homework and bonds and chemical bonds and stuff. So it's about again, it's about the story. It's how you present your product end of the day, and that's what's going to make it different. This was a dhaba ka scene. You had to redesign a dhaba, again solving problems. बीच में I showed this thing जहाँ पे आपकी first aid है in case कोई accident हो जाए nearby, because it's mostly going to be on a highway. There are charging ports for the drivers in itself. Then उसके बाद बैठने का वगैरह वगैरह. Then there's water. Then there is your washroom and everything, and just food. And then आपके पीछे parking spot. But you don't take away from the actual essence of a dhaba. So वो pan shop, all of that thing is still there. So it makes it look like what it is. Don't change it. Change it for the better. That's what I can say you should do. Then this is also very random set of drawings. This was, I think, about एक bee के point of view से बनाना था. So a lot of people made a beehive. I went for the commercial जहाँ से bee stacking वाले जो होते हैं. I made those. So it's again thinking differently. Side में वो honey collect कर रहा है, and these are just bees coming from the stacks. Again, a different way to present it. Honestly, might be easier if you think about it, because tree के point of view से नीचे बनाना is even tougher. Because उसमें और ज्यादा perspective लगेगा.
तो वान्य, जब आप कोई ड्राइंग करते थे तो आप सबसे पहले अपने पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बनाने की कोशिश करते थे, या फिर आप किसी पर्सपेक्टिव में डालने की कोशिश करते थे? एंड हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इज टू लर्न टू मेक थिंग्स इन अ लॉट ऑफ पर्सपेक्टिव और एलिमेंट्स? आपने ज्यादा एलिमेंट्स पे फोकस किया एंड स्ट्रेट व्यू, या पर्सपेक्टिव पे फोकस किया एंड डिफरेंट व्यू?
Two things. Perspective in terms of what it is and how things should basically look is important, but making things in perspective is not important. I never stuck to the points बनाएंगे, lines सारी ऐसी जाएंगी and वो perspective में आएगा, ये 3 point होगा, ये 2 point होगा. I never worked like that, but you will see a lot of these things are in perspective. Just make what feels right to you. If it is not right, you will know. So stick to the basics of it, even if you want to experiment with perspective, but trust yourself enough to let go. Don't keep hogging to ये point यहाँ नहीं जा रहा. बहुत लोग waste इसमें time कर देते कि line मिल नहीं रही eventually जाके point पे. No one's gonna see. Work on your elements, work on the basic perspective. आप एक normal plain form में भी बना सकते हो if you add a lot of elements to it. And जैसे see, technically, if I say जो right में drawing है जिसमें zoom meeting है, पीछे ऐसे की तरफ technically एक perspective जा रहा है, but I didn't apply any brain into it. I just made what felt right, and everyone inherently has that, so that is not going to be an issue once you start practicing. I was also very bad at perspective when I did that whole point wala thing. Then it eventually fades out because you start being like, you know what, I'm going to draw what feels right, and then you get into a zone जब आपसे बनना शुरू हो जाएगा. But you need to work for it also. It's not going to come naturally. जहां तक बात है कि you see people making a different point of views, a lot of different perspectives. You don't need that to be different. You can be different in a lot of other ways if that's not something that works out for you. So that's what I did. Again, जो left में drawing है, it is in a perspective, but it's not in a technical perspective. It is from मेरे perspective से, and trust me, अगर आप अपना हाथ ऐसे करके देखोगे और उसे sketch करोगे ना, ये बन जाएगा. That is what I did. I did my own hand कि मैं पकड़ रही होती तो कैसा दिख रहा होता, and you just sketch it out, and बाकी ऐसे ऐसे ऊपर की तरफ. That's what I said. Foreshortening की knowledge होनी चाहिए कि इतना basic तो होना चाहिए कि पीछे जाके चीजें छोटी होंगी, उतना पता होना चाहिए. Your basics should be there. End of the day, it's about what looks right to you. And if it's wrong, it will look wrong, and you can't do much about it. But stick to what feels right to you. That works end of the day the best. Then uske baad, this one was more of a Zoom meeting जहाँ आपका भाई आपको परेशान कर or something like that. I took a take on that. I showed a whole desktop की screen with the little apps. Your बंद होने वाले पीछे game भी चल रही to show कि Zoom class चली तो he's not completely focusing, वो पीछे game भी खेल रहा है. Then uske baad नीचे you have this is when I actually started experimenting with ball pen. This was because I was off to my grandparents and मैं अपने microns नहीं लेके आई थी, but मुझे pen work करना था, जल्दी से submit करना था, so I found a ball pen and did it with that, and I genuinely loved the texture and how it came out. So I started experimenting with ball pen after this. Again, a lot of pen work. मिडिल वाला आपको लग रहा है कि ये किसी पर्सपेक्टिव पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से है, नीचे से है, थोड़ा नहीं है कुछ, दिस इज जस्ट हाउ यू
अच्छा
सी।
वान्या, एक बात बताओ कि आप जब ड्राइंग करते थे एनआईडी में तो आप एक ही बेंचमार्क रखते थे कि आई हैव टू डू इट इन 20 मिनट्स, और यू हैव प्रैक्टिस समथिंग इन 5 मिनट्स, 10 मिनट्स, 20 मिनट्स, 30 मिनट्स, कि किसी भी सिनेरियो में क्वेश्चन है तो करेंगे तो, और
ऑल
सबसे ज्यादा किस टाइम लिमिट को फॉलो करते थे?
on an average 20 minutes. That's also said what when I said average, I mean on an average 20 minutes, because you don't know what it's going to be like there. You might need to give some more time to certain questions, and you need to also be prepared for that. And you should also be prepared for आपको एक question को 5 मिनट देना पड़ेगा. जब एक question आपको 20 मिनट का आ गया जिसमें 4 boxes बनाने हैं, you are going to end up giving 5 minutes to one box. So you should be prepared to let go. That was very tough for me in the beginning, क्योंकि जब तक चीजें मुझे भरी हुई नहीं लगती थी, मैं satisfied नहीं होती थी, it used to bother me. So you need to understand, you have to figure out this is the level I can achieve in 5 minutes. Keep pushing that level a bit by bit, but take it to a point where you're satisfied कि अगर मैं इतना 5 मिनट में बना दूं मैं खुश हूँ. So start doing that. As I started with, please time your things. You will know where to work from there. अगर आपको एक चीज इसमें टेक्निकली 20 मिनट लगने चाहिए, आपको 1 घंटा लग रहा है, you need to start working on it. आपका पेपर छूटेगा वरना, and there is nothing that's going to stop it from happening if you do not start managing your time. And बाकी को लगता है अभी I'm working on my skill, जब मैं आऊंगी proper mocks देने तब मैं टाइम में कर लूंगी. I'm sure आप टाइम में कर लोगे, you will not be able to produce that quality of work then, and you're just going to be disappointed in yourself anyways. कि मैंने प्रैक्टिस तो ये किया था, बना के मैं ये आई. आपने वो प्रैक्टिस किया था, पर क्या आपने उसे टाइम किया था इस लेवल पे? क्या आपने उस प्रेशर को काउंट किया था जब आपको उस वक्त पेपर में होगा, जब आपको उससे पहला वाला क्वेश्चन बिल्कुल नहीं आता था कि था कर आपको आगे ड्रॉ करते जाना है? In our NID paper, we had a paper folding question with messed up with most of us. But you still have 9 questions ahead of you that you need to deal with. So it is about the confidence you have in your skill, and that I know I can manage it in this time. I gave 45 minutes to that first question, and I had no idea मैं बाकी पेपर कैसे निकालने वाली हूँ, but हो गया किसी कारण, क्योंकि मुझे प्रैक्टिस थी 5 और 10 मिनट में भी क्वेश्चंस करने की. And that's what helped, because there were people जिनका पेपर भी नहीं पूरा हुआ था, चाहे मैंने 5 और 10 मिनट वाला काम ही किया हो. So yeah, end of the day, it is important to manage your time in any way.
बिकॉज मुझे याद है कि मैंने हमेशा आप लोगों को एनआईडी पेपर के पहले बोला था कि बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर 6 to 7 क्वेश्चन, और
Yeah.
10 क्वेश्चन आ गए थे. मतलब 10 क्वेश्चन आज तक नहीं आए थे एनआईडी से, और अगले साल हो सकता है 12 आ जाए, या अगले साल 3 आ जाए. तो
Okay.
वी हैव टू बी रेडी फॉर ऑल काइंड ऑफ टाइम स्लॉट्स. यस वान्या.
Then again, just talking about elements here, playing with fonts for Bully, I made it into a fist, which is, but also played with the font of it. Again, about creativity. Pehle, I just thought, okay, I'm going to show a punch, but I was like, एक second, this looks somewhat like I can fit letters into it. And I did, and it worked out. उसके बाद right में we had to make a book on meditation or something like that. So इसमें I focused more on the background than on the actual book, if you think about it. I showed like a very gym going person with like the whole iWatch wala situation, yoga mat, and all of that, and like a very stressed person, sick of his work life and his phone ringing in like a very busy life, and him suggesting ki, read this book and you're gonna find it. So again, it's about the story you show. Again, you can see the development in work thoda sa. This is where I started using alcohol markers. And when I started discovering that side, how to add shadows, how to add dimension. A part of me used to be very skeptical कि मैं कहाँ पे ग्रे मारूं जिससे लगे shadow है. Then I just went with it कि again, my philosophy is trust your gut, what feels right. That is what I do. Wherever it feels right for me to do it, I do it and it works out. But you need to let yourself do that. Again, in the left, we had to show 4 ways of finding raste or something like that. So this was कि एक ट्रक वाले से पूछ लिया. I could have simply showed a very close up जिसमें वो सिर्फ ट्रक वाले से बात कर रहा है, but I showed the entire truck. I showed the whole बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ वाला thing, like the little tassels which fall off of Indian trucks, the whole driver, and like everything, the backpack of the person looking for the way. Then rest of it is a lot of satire, calling your parents ki where to go, stuff like that. Then one was going to actual physical maps because your phone is running out of battery. Again, some story there. I could have easily just shown a physical map mein wo dhoond raha hai, but I wanted to show why is he referring to a physical map, because in today's time if I do that it wouldn't make sense, right? कि map क्यों देख रहे हैं, मेरे पास Google Maps है. So I tried to show why are we doing that. फिर last is just asking a camel in a desert because you have no other option except that really. Then this was about making a village room or something. I think again, observation, the things you know, just do that, or what you think it's gonna be like, do that. This was again a geography book ka cover design karna, so something like that. Probably again a lot of background, the person getting good marks, highlighters, globe, पीछे पूरा study table. I'm really obsessed with stationery. तो मैं वो बहुत डालती थी, like little books, crumbled paper, a lot of all of that. It adds a lot of real value to it because this is how most of us do our work, right? With a
अब
lot
तक
of
आप सबको समझ आ गया होगा कि स्टोरी टेलिंग कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है एंड एलिमेंट्स मेक थिंग्स लुक वेरी डिफरेंट. ज्योग्राफी बुक अगर बनाते तो वन वुड हैव गॉट 12 marks, but with the story it is creating the background, it's creating the story, and it is moreover creating that who is reading this. So this is very important to all of you guys, that don't see that what line quality you are following right now, what kind of output is having on the sheet, but the most important thing is that you are putting up the real life stories in your questions. So that is why observation is very important, and building a learning diary is also very important, which I've been keep on telling you to build your own learning diary to make sure that you are putting up those elements in your work. Yes, Vanya, please continue.
इसके बाद again more of the work. Here I also started experimenting with yellow alcohol marker because I realized that also adds a lot of feeling of light into my work. So that was also something that paid off for me. Then again a lot of detailing, a lot of story, a lot of background. This mein beech mein we had to show a pan masala ka ad. So I showed ki kind of the similar thing I did for the cigarettes, the family burning, used the same concept but changed it up by showing a story here. So piche, I showed that his daughter is waiting for him in the car, sorry, in the auto, while he is here trying to buy pan masala, and then he just sees the poster and realizes he has a family who he's responsible for and he's waiting for. So that hits home for him. So it's just all about that. And then here I've kind of highlighted ki he's giving away this money at the cost of really what. So it's about the story, it's about the thought you're putting behind it. This was, you had to make something for an old person or your grandparents or something like that. So a lot of people, they tend to solve problems in a different way. They might make like a supportive something, like maybe a new form of a stick or something. I went more for the emotional aspect of it. Actually, I made something like this in my actual NID exam also. I used the same idea there because we had to show an element inside an old person's room, so I showed this. This is basically, I showed, that Carvaan wala, that old speaker, जिसमें old गाने बजते. I kind of used the concept, but I made it into something different. So it plays old songs. It's going to also show you contacts of your old friends so that you can keep a note of their numbers, being an old school guy. There's a little plant which you can pot there because people like, gardening and stuff. Then there's a little reel which takes out your family photos of the dated days when they were taken, and a side of it is like your childhood pictures to the pictures of you now, showing your journey to where you've come. So it's lot about the thought. This is what an old person would want, right? To be remembered, to know what they've gone through, to be cherished and all of that. And then to add a little more essence, I showed like there's a kid giving it a note like to grandpa, like it's a gift he gave it to his grandpa or her, whatever. So it's more about the emotion you add behind your drawings and everything. Again, this was show recycling ka kuch dikhana tha G20 ka. So I showed that you can collect scraps, segregate the colors, grind it, and made into plastic rangolis. So they made like a G20 rangoli out of it. I think G20 wasn't a part of this question. I just included it to show more of the current highlight kya chal raha hai. This was, I think, a simple question. This was ki dentist ke perspective. I mean, you're gone to a dentist, apne perspectives dikhao. So just imagination. Again, this was some toothpick holder, kuch ho gaya. I'm not sure. But yeah. Then this was this was make the rupee. Again, these works like this rupee note wala work, or even the rightmost side work, the market scene, yeah, the toothpick hold, and all of these works, I'm kid you not, these are 15 minutes works. These are 15-20 minute works. My sketching became to the point where I could sketch these in 20 minutes, 15 minutes and be done with it. Then uske baad, this was for going to Kedarnath, you need to make a new vehicle. So I made like this vehicle, just my showed as a blind person, there is an old lady, and then uske baad they're going through this tram kind of thing. This was again a marketplace. I just put this in to show you the kind of elements you can add. पीछे I showed this G20 का poster. I showed a kite because मोहल्ला type है तो होती हैं ये चीजें. Then there's an auto, but there's a Ola auto to show that now you can book it. There's climate change के posters. There's a ठेला, but उस पे QR code है and उसका जो seller है वो headphones लगा के सुन रहा है. Then उसके बाद there's a girl going on a bike holding a backpack that she's probably going to school. Someone here is with a microphone shouting. Then just a lot of elements here and there, which is going to add character की पता चलेगा कि poster यहाँ नहीं होता. And this is very very bad work by the way. ऐसे कुछ भी ढंग से नहीं दिख रहा, but ये दूर से दिखता है तो ठीक लगता है because there are a lot of things going on. And end of the day उसकी value है. Moving on. These were pictures I wanted to show to say with how you can play with fonts. First was about the election 2024 for the coming youth. Make a promotion.
fonts को कैसे practice करते थे? कहाँ से inspiration लेते थे?
मेरी handwriting अच्छी है in general. तो बना, and like, you know, it's a thing, if you have good drawing, you can actually experiment with fonts because it's very similar if you think about it. End of the day, you're making shapes, right? So for me, if I was to think of iska kya font banana hai, first imagine the word you're making. If I was to write election, I imagine the word. Now I see इसमें scope का है. I see the eye and I think of it इसको मैं और कैसे replace कर सकती हूँ. So I think of the finger. As I said, for me it was a building process. And जहाँ तक बात है ये बनता कैसे है वो practice से बनता है. Even for that matter, handwriting भी practice करनी पड़ती है. And none of us are born with it, right? So as I said, it's about a building process. If you're thinking about कि चलो वो तो फिर भी क्रिएटिव फॉन्ट हो गया कि उसमें फिंगर है, बाकी सब they're just basically shapes. I genuinely didn't put ऐसे any major thought into it. Just think what could make it look different. अगर मैं सिर्फ hand लिख देती तो ऐसे basic लगता, but I wanted to emphasize it. I made it bold. I added some structure to it. That's how typography is done. You add structure to it. You make it different. You add elements to it. Elements could simply be these curves and उससे इसके अंदर बहुत stature आ गया, and I'm sure most of you can do it. So it's just about, as I said, experiment करो. Side में बैठ के try writing down things, experimenting new shapes you can make. Go to Pinterest, see fonts that you can achieve. Try to practice them. Try to include it in your work. Try to, and as I said, जहाँ तक creative fonts की बात है, adding elements to it, imagine the word, see where there is scope of actually doing things. I used to do this thing every year for Labor Day school making competition. जो labor लिखते हैं, I used to make it through actual like elements. जैसे L है तो मैं एक इंची जो measuring tape होती है उससे L बनाती थी. A है तो उल्टा scissors हो गया, that's your A. B is your, so it's about experiment. What does it look like to you that could be similar to the topic but is not actually the letter? That's how you deal with these things. That's how it becomes creative. So you need to start observing and implementing, even when it comes to fonts, if you actually want them to add dimension to your work. Yeah, so basically that, and then uske baad, this was more of just the fonts ke liye. Now this is my very recent work. I turned to hatching. I turned to now starting me, you asked me about the process of how I deal with things, and I mentioned that I try doing something else and wo ban kuch aur jata hai, right? So these are just examples of it. This is my very current work. After a lot of practice, you get here, you start drawing like this. But as I said, I do a lot of hatching. Now this is my thing. I do a lot of hatching. I do proper pen work. And this kind of work helps me cover up the things I do. So when I say I think along the way, I do, because मैं बनाती हूँ. If something doesn't work out and if I want to add something to it, I hatch it over it and it covers up and it works for me. So find your niche, find what your art style is, and then uske baad you'll figure out how to work with it. Because for this is how it works for me. There are some people who pehle plan karte, fir wo implement karte, and they have more clarity. That works better for them. For me, it's more like मैं पहले basic बनाऊंगी and I'll add things to it. That works a little better for me because I ideate as I go.
तो आप पहले बेसिक करते थे और उसके बाद एलिमेंट्स डालते थे?
हाँ जी बिल्कुल.
पहले मतलब एग्जाम क्लियर करना और उसके बाद एग्जाम में रैंक लाने के लिए फोकस करना है. That is what to follow, and that is visible. Yes.
So even for the shading, I've done it. जैसे लेफ्ट वाला ले लो, आई प्रोबेबली वुड हैव स्केच द होल थिंग पहले कि ये यहाँ जाएगा, ये यहाँ जाएगा, ये यहाँ जाएगा, उसके बाद मैंने उसके अंदर हैचिंग शुरू की, क्योंकि मुझे हैचिंग में 5 मिनट लगता है। इस हैचिंग में मुझे 5 मिनट लगा होगा। इट्स अबाउट थिंकिंग कि क्या कहाँ जाएगा, जिसमें थोड़ा सा कंपैरेटिवली उसका स्ट्रक्चर बनाने में टाइम लगता है। So it's, as I said, this is more of what I do. That it something else might be for you. Figure out what that is for you and work for it to make it to its best potential. So you saw how I started with my pen work, the most simplest of the pen drawings possible, like a basic line drawing. Ek second. Just the most basic line drawing possible. And then I figured out this is something I'm good at. So I reached there. It's just about figuring out where your skill lies, and it's not something you're going to discover overnight. As I said, I discovered I might be good at pen and I enjoy doing it and I like hatching after seeing Suyash's work. It is about you going on that journey of finding your niche, which I feel is very important. Because paper में चाहे आपको कुछ आता हो ना आता हो, आपको ये याद होगा कि मुझे क्या आता है, and that is what matters. ये मुझे आता है and मैं ये वहाँ करके आती हूँ जो मेरे लिए चल जाता है. So that I feel is really important. So this was probably all of my work. If sorry, you have something to say, when I'm आगे बढ़ जाती
We're looking for extra tips, right?
हूँ. So
The
should I go ahead?
the presentation can't be in like more detail than this. So I don't think there is any left to be explained. But I think that I'll be doing a separate question and answer session with you because you have shown so much, and I'm sure that a lot of students have a lot of questions. So we do a 45 minutes quick question answer session. I think you are going on a vacation, and when you come back, we'll be doing this,
Sure, sir.
right? So, I mean, it's already late, but yes, you have explained it perfectly. But I have few questions which I want to ask. Is that a lot of students who ask me that my maths is very weak. So you still feel that without doing maths much, they can still manage to get into top 100 if their art, English, and GK is really good?
I do agree. You can. But as I started with, don't give up on it also. Don't completely call it कि मुझसे तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं होता. Because that is, because I'll tell you what, अगर एग्जाम में इंग्लिश एंड जीके ऐसे आ गई जो आपसे हैंडल नहीं हो रही, then you're going to be even more heartbroken. Because then you don't know math, because वो तो आपने ट्राई ही नहीं किया. आपने इंग्लिश और जीके भी didn't work well for you. So it could be bad for you in the last scenario. So I wouldn't say completely give up on math. Try to the potential, जब आप एटलीस्ट जो 20 क्वेश्चन आता है उसमें से 5 निकाल सको. Because and when it comes to the rank, 5 marks make a lot of difference. The difference between my rank and I think जो rank 4 आया है, that was in decimals. So you can just imagine the value of 5 marks in an exam. So I won't say completely give up on it. There might be, I promise you, there will be certain topics you will be able to manage within math. Because this is not your 12th grade level differentiation integration. It is basic math जो आती है लोगों को. So you just need to work for it in a direction where you got some of it covered. At least कि आप options देख के question निकाल सको. So take it to a degree where you're decently okay at it. But nevertheless, it is not something, if it's not your thing, you get too strained about. You can still manage without it. You can, if you work on the, देखो एक तो है कि आप उसको भी गिव अप मार दो और बाकी भी कुछ ना करो उनके बारे में भी बहाने बना के. If you're actually not able to do this even after putting effort, then you can switch to the other mode and actually use the effort you're not putting there in the other things. Cause I mean कहीं तो करनी पड़ेगी मेहनत. Cause it's not easy in any way. So yeah.
और NID, जब आप NID एग्जाम में पहले गए थे, रिटन एग्जामिनेशन, आप किस किस सिनेरियो को दिमाग में रख के गए थे? दैट अगर 50-50 होगा थ्योरी और ड्राइंग तो क्या स्ट्रैटेजी फॉलो करेंगे, 70-30 होगा, या फिर आप ये सोच के गए थे कि जो भी होगा ऑन द स्पॉट आई विल थिंक अबाउट इट एंड आई विल डू इट?
On the spot, because you cannot go with the pre mindset in NID, because you will be disappointed. Because they will give you your something you're not expecting as a whole. जो first question हमें मिला था वो कोई उसके लिए practice करके नहीं गया था जो आया था वहां पे. So if you go to NID with the mindset of ऐसे होगा, you're gonna be frazzled, you're gonna think ये तो मैंने सोच के ही नहीं आई थी, हो क्या गया, and then you're gonna think about the questions. So it's better you go there, you think जो आएगा देखी जाएगी. Actually, even for NIFT for that matter, जो होएगा देखी जाएगी works the best. Because if you overthink it before entering, you're going to overthink there also. So there's really no point in doing that.
One thing, Vanya has never missed any mock exams. We have whatever exam we have taken, she has attempted that examination. And I think that Vanya, ये बहुत important होता है
हाँ
कि
जी.
आपको एग्जाम के पहले आप उससे टफ एग्जाम्स दिए हुए थे, और जब एग्जाम में आए तो आई एम श्योर आपको बहुत अनयूजुअल नहीं लगा होगा, आपको लगा होगा कि इस तरह के पैटर्न मैंने दे रखा है कभी ना कभी.
The questions were obviously different, but it felt like I'm giving another mock. Because itna you practice so vastly that you feel like, okay, I'm going to deal with this question as I've dealt with so many. So I feel that's very important to be able to sit in the moment and think about it. Because even in the daily questions, or questions khud se practice kar rahe ho, you probably read it pehle and then come and then give it later. But if you're sitting in a mock, you read that question there and then, and you need to answer it there and then. That's a different ball game altogether within the constrained period of time.
See, right now all the students who are in class 11 they have time, but all the students who are in class 12th or 12 pass out, if they are having, a lot of them ask me that जीके कब शुरू करना चाहिए, व्हाट इज द आइडल टाइम, अभी करेंगे तो भूल ही जाएंगे, ऑफ कोर्स भूल जाएंगे, तो क्या पैटर्न उनको फॉलो करना चाहिए. डू जस्ट हैव टू, दे हैव टू स्टार्ट मेकिंग द नोट्स सो दैट एक बार विजुअल मेमोरी में उनके पास आ जाए और एंड में एक बार फिर से देख लें, या फिर रटें अभी से बैठ के, क्या क्या
I
स्ट्रेटजी.
think it's an ongoing process. You make the notes, you see the videos, it starts registering in the back of your mind. I promise you, it will start registering. And as you go forward, you start feeling कि ये तो मैंने पहले भी पढ़ा था, because it's gonna come in again and again. And as you, when I said make your own notes, because you are going to be able to आपसे ज्यादा अपने आप को कोई जानता नहीं है, जो आपने लिखा है वो सबसे ज्यादा आपको समझ आएगा. So when you go back to your own notes, you process it better because it hits you. हाँ ये मैंने सुना था, उस दिन देखा था, उस दिन लिखा था. And it's not something, मैं ये नहीं बोल रही उस वक्त बैठ के रटो. See the video, write it down for a few days. Pick a revision day where you see the notes जो आपने past 5 दिन के लिखे हैं. Come back to it. That's the whole point of having a notes register, that you keep coming back to it. As I mentioned, last ke 3 din I only read my notes register and it was more than enough for me because it had everything I ever needed. So
Very
yeah.
important question.
Yes.
I'll say it's the last question for the session, but very important question. That when did you realize now you are like quite sure that I want to go for communication design? Now you are very much sure that I will be going for communication design. When is the time you realize that I'm good at communication? Because most of the students who come to me right now, they are very doubtful that I should go for fashion, I should go for product. When was the time when you realized that okay, communication is the course for me?
2 हफ्ते पहले.
हाँ,
Genuinely 2 हफ्ते पहले.
जब एग्जाम के रिजल्ट आ गए तो.
I
So
had no idea मुझे करना क्या है. I just know मैं कर रही हूँ और मुझे इन 2 colleges में जाना है. उसके अंदर क्या करेंगे वो बात की बात है. पहले whenever I used to go to sir कि सर मैं बता तो दो कोर्स क्या लूंगी, just like पहले admission ले लो. I was like okay. Then I finally got the ranks. We sat down. We were like okay अब करना क्या है. And then I got to know the options I have. What is it then I'm gonna get? And I felt this was the best fit for me. So yeah, you just evaluate. If some people just know कि मुझे तो यही करना है. I wasn't one of them. I still am not. I still don't know where I'm going. But don't be bothered about that right now. Just do what you're doing.
वन बी वेरी प्रैक्टिकल. एक दिन में कितना टाइम स्पेंड करना चाहिए और टाइम मैनेजमेंट क्या होना चाहिए? लाइक वन ड्राइंग क्वेश्चन, 20 minutes ऑफ इंग्लिश, 15 minutes ऑफ जीके.
I will
रियलिस्टिक
do that in my next slide क्योंकि मेरी पूरी slide उसी बारे में है
yes,
next.
yes, absolutely, please
So
continue.
because this is exactly how I manage my time and it worked for me. So I think I'll just go with that. So this was my timetable and vision boarding and how I managed my time between my science and my design prep. Because actually जो आपका NID होता है वो December में होता है, which is your peak pre-board time and your peak board time also. And NIFT is very, very, very peak board time. So you need to understand you're gonna go crazy between, it's not only about science, you're gonna go crazy anyhow because आपको, there was a point I was very scared I'm gonna fail school. And I knew I wasn't going to, but it's still very stressful when it comes to a point. So it's about planning. This was how I planned in general. This कि dividing my time. आप देख सकते it is from every 30 minutes to that, and I stuck to it because इसके अलावा I knew I'm not going to get things done even if I miss out on this. So it includes time to कि मैं कब सोने वाली हूँ, कब मैं उठने वाली हूँ, कब मुझे क्या cover करना है. This is purely मेरे physics के लिए, but throughout anything I did, I used to do this in Excel. Then there's this website I use, which is called Trello. You guys can go visit it. I used to do this to do today, doing right now, in done ke tabs, which helps me keep track of what I'm doing. So it always, I know कि मेरा इस वक्त क्या time चल रहा है, मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. So this is what I used to do. So this, if you see this clearly, this has a mix of this was peak वो वाली time, board वाला time. So इसमें it has a mix of NID stuff also, it has a mix of DC stuff also. It's just a mix of it. जैसे यहाँ पे this was my peak pre-board time, but there's NID prep time 9 to 11. So it's about managing your time and कि इतना बज गया मुझे छोड़ना है and I have to prioritize what I'm doing right now. You might not be strictly be able to stick to it, but try to stick to it as much as possible. Don't let it slag, because then it's going to be a loss for you. These are just things which are going to help you realize the preciousness of your time and कि क्या करने का वक्त आ गया अब. So these
ये
were
आपने
things.
एकदम पीक टाइम का बताया, जब मई और जून में जब वेकेशन भी है, अभी कितना टाइम देना चाहिए ऑन एवरेज, ताकि बाद में प्रेशर नहीं पड़े.
See, one thing I feel I did wrong, not wrong, but I could have done better, was कि जो स्कूल की पढ़ाई थी 11th में तो I very much prioritized मैं स्कूल की पढ़ाई, which I don't regret doing. ऐसा मुझे कोई disadvantage नहीं हुआ, but you try balancing that out. All this I started was in 12th grade. 11th grade I didn't bother so much. I was just like तब मैं ये कर लूंगी, तब मैं ये कर लूंगी. But I suggest start doing it from the beginning, maybe not so extensively, but in a brief. Divide your day into what you're giving your time to where. ठीक है? And a lot of people, चलो I'll discuss that in my next slide, but जहाँ तक बात है कि vacation time में I feel don't stress out too much. The next coming months for you are going to be the most stressful months of your life, believe me. So save the stress for then. Right now, work on upskilling yourself. Build on what you know right now. Just as I said, find time for fonts, find time for figuring out your style, find time for learning elements, prioritize all of that. At the same time, please start dividing your preparation time between NIFT and NID. If you know NIFT is what you're preparing for, give more time to it. If NID is something you're preparing for, give more time to that. जहां तक बात है ड्राइंग की, प्लीज ड्राइंग को भी दोनों की अलग टाइम देना. ऐसे मत सोचना 3 घंटे मैंने दे दिया तो निफ्ट एनआईडी दोनों का हो गया. प्लीज दैट्स नॉट राइट. गिव डिफरेंट टाइम्स विद बोथ ऑफ देम. जहां तक बात है गैट कैट की, if in a day, sorry if this sounds like a lot, but if you're giving 5 hours per DC ka work, give 2 hours to your GAT, give 3 hours to your GAT. Within it, divide work. आप बस इतना सोचो दिन में 5 घंटे मुझे डीसी को देने, उसके अंदर आपको जैसे डिवाइड करना है सब पे यू. And then उसके बाद give at least 3 hours to your school, because end में when it's your pre-board time, you would be इस schedule में there is nothing to do with DC, because I was कि मुझे निकालना तो पड़ेगा ना pre-board. There's no option you have. So start doing it थोड़ा थोड़ा from the starting, so there's just not a stress on you when it comes towards the later end of it. Then उसके बाद जहाँ तक बात है time management की, these are ways which we're going to help you, keep you motivated. मुझे मजा आता है ये सब बहुत करने में, planning things. I like it. So if it's something that you like, it's a new way for you to focus, then it might work out for you. But if you're someone who's more key, better at doing it in your head कि मैं ये तब करूँगा, ये तब करूँगा, then if that's what works out for you, then sure. Last thing, this vision board wala thing, this is basically, it also has my science notes, it also has my DC notes. It's like right here mere idhar side mein. It's what I see every day while studying. It's what keeps me on my toes. So yeah, just having it in front of you adds a more perspective, I feel. So this was just a small tip. Again, these are tips, these are an extra tips because these are very personal things I did. I'm just sharing this because it might just help some of you in case these are things which also work out for you. Then distractions, again, very personal, coming from experience. No one is perfect. Even कितना भी आप schedule करो, आप distract होते हो and you lose on time. And right now you need to understand, अभी since I've given my exam, my boards, I have been the waylaist person possible. मेरे पास कोई काम नहीं है. So please do not worry about कि मैं I'm missing out on this, I'm missing out on this, I want to do this, I can't. You will have a lot of time on your hands for these things later, I promise you. I have nothing to do right now, trust me. So you can do anything and everything you want after you've secured your future. So please prioritize that. Also, another thing, now that I'm talking about this, a lot of people in our generation have this ki mere dost to yahan ja rahe, mere dost wahan ja rahe hain, main nahi ja rahi. I'm not telling you mat jao. Main bhi jati hu for things which are important. Don't go in everything and anything, because you need to understand, if it becomes a habit, you're going to have it more instilled in you ki main yahan nahi ja rahi, wahan nahi ja rahi. So make sure A, prioritize. B, try to understand that it's very important ki more of surround yourself with the right people. Very personally speaking, I'm come from a science team. Most people around me are either preparing for JEE or NEET. So all of them are dead focused into their entrance exams and everything they do. So it kind of naturally put me into कि least जो मैं कर रही हूँ मुझे बहुत ढंग से करना है. So all of my friends are from science. So if I'm going to them and being like, even if I'm थोड़ा सा वेला after my NIT exam or something, I have no friends to go out with because they're still busy in their JEE. So it just automatically put me into space कि चलो मैं भी पढ़ ही लेती हूँ. So please surround yourself with the right people, and make sure just keep your own self focused toward what you actually want to do. I promise you, ठीक है, I get it, design it's a creative field, but it's not so easy कि आप सब कुछ करके भी निकाल लोगे. You need to put in work for it, and there is no other way for hard work, honestly. So coming back, distractions, what I did, jab aap YouTube pe the videos I suggested you, if that's the route you also are going to take, please make a separate account for it, open a new email ID for it. Do not use your past email ID, because उसमें आपने बहुत सारी चीजें सब्सक्राइब की होंगी जो आपके फॉलो पेज पे आएंगे और आप कुछ और ही देखने लग जाओगे. Eventually हुआ है मेरे साथ. Make a new page, make a new account where you follow only and only educational content, so that जो आपके recommendations भी आ रहे हैं वो भी पढ़ाई वाले ही आ रहे हैं कि आप detour भी कर रहे हो तो आप ठीक डायरेक्शन में detour कर रहे हो. So please get a new account so that you don't get distracted, because obviously if you have something more entertaining, you're going to choose that over GKK videos. So please do that. उसके बाद another thing which kept me going was there are these study with me videos where there are like these 12-hour videos where there are people doing their own studying and you're just doing saath saath. I did this during my boards. I did this during my padhai in general, that you can just play that video. They also have break speech mein, just study with them. You feel like you have someone to study with, except they're not a friend जिससे आप बातें कर रहे हो. So it's just kind of good. Again, timer. When you are doing the time to time वाली things कि मैं इतना time इसको दे रही हूँ, इतना time इसको दे रही हूँ, आप उसे चाहे एक timer लगा दो 1 घंटे का, which will ring off after an hour and you know I have to move on. And you're going to be scared of that timer. You're going to think कि 20 मिनट में off जा रहा है और मैं अभी यहीं पहुंची. You're going to come back, you're going to focus, and you're going to try to get things done. You might not be able to sustain with the timer, but at least it's going to keep you कि करते रहो वाले scene में. उसके बाद DC से respective, please listen to Sumit sir. Please listen to कि वो कह रहे हैं इसको ठीक करो या ये add करो. Please do that. Trust me, it's going to help you and it's going to stay with you. Listen to anything he's saying, and he's speaking from experience. उसके बाद do all tests honestly. Please do not cheat yourself. The only person who you're going to cheat is yourself if you get good marks here and later you don't. Do it with all honesty. Do it within the given time frame. अगर एक 3 घंटे का NIFT का एग्जाम है तो प्लीज 3 घंटे में करो, उसे 4 घंटे में, बीच में 5 ब्रेक्स लेके मत करो. It's not going to do anyone a favor except you. Okay. Then GK notes to DC ने दिए हैं, please go through those. I used to even annotate in it. उसमें से साइड में पेंसिल्स लिख के उसके अंदर अपने खुद के पॉइंट्स बना दो. If there is a point you feel मुझे दिक्कत हो रही है इसको लर्न करने में, then you can just simply go ahead and just use it for your own notes. You know, like in general, go read about it. If you feel इससे नहीं याद हो रहा, सिर्फ ये पढ़ के उसके बारे में पढ़ लो और जाके, it's going to register when you read more about it, when you have more content to connect with. Then do your online offline classes religiously. जितना आप एक दूसरे के काम से सीख सकते हो सीखो. I swear जितना मैं दूसरों को काम देख के I've gained things, I swear to God, I haven't gained in any other way. I don't mean copy, please don't get me wrong. I mean learn new techniques. Learn the things you see around you, not only from the people you're studying with, even Pinterest, use it for the right things. Even Instagram, use it for the right things. It is going to be very helpful. Then coming to the important thing, which is आपके CAT के tips, and I promise you this is going to help you a lot. When you are making products, even scenes or even like fabrics or कपड़े कुछ भी, do your research, mention the sustainable materials and fabric used. I researched before going to the exam and in general. show that it's made out of peanut X, show it's made out of flax seeds, just show anything कि आप sustainability का भी ध्यान रखते हैं and you know about it. Show about it's from coconut husk, anything, just show that you care. That's what matters. So show these little details. चाहे को recycling वाला logo बना के नीचे bottom में लिख दो made out of peanut X. Peanut X is basically pineapple derived leather. उसके बाद elements you can add. Please add facilities for the disabled. You can make ramps. You can make certain supports. मैंने अपने जो मैंने park बनाया था NIFT के exam में, I showed handles for the disabled to enter the park. Then ब्रेली आप दिखा सकते हो for the blind. CCTV बना सकते हो. स्वच्छ भारत का पोस्टर लगा दो. आप एक जगह डस्टबिन दिखा रहे हो पार्क में, उसके ऊपर जाके कोई स्वच्छ भारत का पोस्टर लगा सकते हो. Then dustbin and I said sanitizer लगा सकते हैं. folk art Varley, as I mentioned before I did, you can use that to show that you're aware. QR codes, as I said, my favorite, very easy to make and adds a lot of elements. Paytm etc दिखा सकते हो. Lastly, वर्क ऑन योर हैंड राइटिंग प्लीज. आपको नहीं पता आपको कब लिखना पड़ जाएगा, और लिखना पड़ता है. NID में भी लिखना पड़ता है, NIFT में भी लिखना पड़ता है. एंड इफ यू हैव अ गुड हैंड राइटिंग, इट हेल्प्स पुटिंग इट आउट देयर दैट यू केयर अबाउट नीट वर्क एंड you care about what you're doing, because neat handwriting and good handwriting adds value, I promise you. So please start working it from now, because बाद में जब situation test का वक्त आएगा और आपको 100 words लिखने होंगे, then लोग panic करते कि हमारी तो writing इतनी गंदी है. So please start working on it from now. आपको exams में भी काम आएगा और situation test में बाद में जाके भी काम आएगा. So yeah, and that's also going to help with your fonts, by the way. So that was pretty much it. That was from my side. I'm done. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.
बिना पानी पिए इतने देर आप बोले, be a very good teacher.
Thank you, sir.
Great, and many congratulations for your success. It has been a long journey, a long learning process. You have gained a lot, ups and downs सब कुछ है, but yes, you never gave up. हमेशा uphill चढ़ते रहे, and now you are the flag bearer of Design Circle. Very good work.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
All of you, बहुत देर तक आप लोग सुने. आई एम श्योर आप इंस्पायर हुए होगा. यस, प्लीज रेज योर हैंड. नाइस. चलो Vanya, thank you so much, and I'll do one question and answer session with you because a lot of students have a lot of questions, but I think we have already done 1 hour 40 minutes and you are also tired. So we'll do one complete session with you once you are back, and all the best for all the counselings. Good night, good night, Vanya, and thank you so much for coming here.
So thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Chalo, good night, guys.
Good night, sir. Thank you.
Good night, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.